Alright. This video is all about Sephora unboxing part 2, Urban Decay and Guerlain lipsticks. Welcome in, Sorika, mabuhay, and you're back with me for your side. Okay, let's go ahead and unbox this one. Okay. Let me know in the comments section down below if you want me unboxing items where you could see my face, or do you want them focused? Because I feel like if I unbox them like this, it has a problem with autofocus, and it's always want to focus on my face rather than when I unbox it on just showing the products, it focus on the product. So yeah. Okay, once again we are going to see the Sephora. Ta-da! That is so cute. And then another paper bag. More paper bags for me, yes. So another paper bag in here. Okay. Ta-da! Oh, this is heavier. What did I buy in here? Okay, let's see. Oh, okay. And there's like much more things. Like some samples. I didn't even get a sample on the other one. Like, why Sephora? Why? So this time they gave me some samples, like a discount code on this place where we buy clothes, NAKD. Okay, I got a sample of Too Faced Hangover Pillow Cream. So it's like a night thingy. There we go. Okay, and then NARS Natural Radiant Foundation. So sample of the NARS foundation. Okay. Oh wow. Maybe that's why, because you have to reach a certain amount before they give you things or whatever. Yep, so I have, okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. 5 items in here. Yes, I remember this so much. And it's these. Going back. So we have the Urban Decay, and yes, I'm going to swatch this too. I actually have 2. This is in a very, very good sale. Oh my god, like how much was that? So the original price was 200 crowns. I got this for like 70, if I'm not mistaken. And how much percent is that? I'm not good in math. Yeah, so there. One is for me and one is for my mom because she loves lipsticks, especially red lipsticks. Okay, so this one. Okay, yeah. Just show you the box first. So it looks like this. Okay. So, and then the shade was right here in TRYST, Tryst. What does Tryst means? Oh, okay, that's cool because here we have different lips. Ta-da! And this is the item inside. The RFID. So, and of course the iconic Urban Decay lipstick bullet, and then UD logo on the top. Of course, on the bottom we see the shade. There we go. Yeah. So for this lipstick, it looks like this. It's a red one. Nope, no crazy scent for Urban Decay. I only have one Urban Decay, which is a Gwen Stefani limited edition lipstick. She is, from the looks of it, it looks a little bit of like a corally red. It's not a true red, but it's not a crazy hot pink. So it's like between coral and red. That's how I could describe it. It's gonna be perfect for summer. So, oh my gosh, I still have my I have my lip balm with me. I think you wouldn't mind. I think you wouldn't mind if I go ahead and just swatch it on top. Yeah, just look at how my lips look like right now, but knowing that we have Guerlain in there. And then I am going to try to do the UD. Okay. This Urban Decay, one swipe is perfect. I'm using the viewfinder to look at my lips. Sorry about that. Okay. What do you think? It's very summer color, right? I'm gonna do like what the beauty vloggers do. They do like. What do you think? Can I be a lipstick beauty blogger? So that's that. Oh my gosh, I have more lipsticks in here. How can I swatch them? How? Have to remove this one again? Oh my gosh. So maybe I just showed them to you because the other items are Guerlain, and I have a crazy Guerlain collective haul, and I probably will do that there instead. Do all the swatches on that Guerlain video. Much better. Oh my god, these are all Guerlain. So I will just show them to you, the shades and how they look like. First I will show this one, and this is actually a refill. So Guerlain Rouge G, I am a fan since, oh my god, 2010. And the refills looks like this. So that's the box. We have the shade in there. I told you it's gonna focus on my face. And then this is how it looks like. And this is how the the testers will look like too if you go to Sephora. And then so we have the Guerlain logo over here, which actually holds the case. Let me grab my Sephora haul because I bought a Sephora lipstick mirror, the double mirror case, and I probably could show you how the Guerlain works. Oh my god, I really have a hoarding problem. I just saw this one and it has a lot of items inside it. I should really do another Sephora video. So this is just unboxing, and then we're gonna do a collective haul, and that's quite a lot. This is one of the mirror cases that I bought. Is this the one that's open? Yes, I opened one. I bought two. One is for me and one is for my mom. So I'm gonna show you how it works. Okay, I'm doing the haul for this one also. So I'm gonna tell you guys that when I do the haul for that one, I'm just gonna tell you, oh, this is the one I'm talking about on my other video. Yeah, so there. We can remove this cap. Let me show you the shade of this one also. So this is the number 45, which is an orange shade. I saw Talia's review on this one. It's very pretty. So Guerlain lipsticks are very beautiful. They have nice pigmentation, glides on the lips perfectly, long lasting, and all of that. Everything that you could ever wish for on a lipstick. They are quite heavy, because of course they're premium and you pay for that too, the expensive packaging. So yep, I am going to, so this is actually a limited edition that I saw that was on sale online, and then I went to the Sephora store and then I asked my friend Yasin, who is who works as a what do you call those people in Sephora, beauty experts, something like that. Yeah, and then we saw two, and then of course I bought them both because they're like very, very cheap. Electric Gold, it's expensive if you buy them separate, but I bought this on sale. Your mama always buy things on sale, don't you worry, guys. And here, so we can remove the what should I call it? This plastic. Okay. So there's a plastic over here that we could go ahead and remove. There. And then now it opens because that plastic is holding it. So without this part right here, which is the Guerlain logo, this will always remain open. So what we do is that we put them together like a transformer, like so. And then the lipstick looks like this. So that's the Guerlain Bullet. Okay, the other side. So that's the Guerlain Bullet. And there's like so many, and I'm trying to collect them all. Like I did not, I'm going crazy with the Guerlain Bullets, and you will see it on the Guerlain haul. Probably the Rouge G haul. Yeah, there. And in some places, especially if there is like a Guerlain pop-up store or like a Guerlain store in your city, or if you go to, like, let's say Paris, then you will be lucky because they could engrave it to you. I saw some girls, I actually watched all of the Guerlain videos that I could find even in another language on YouTube. So yeah, they could have it engraved, and you could have it engraved by the mirror or any part of the lipstick. Yes, so that's that one. Okay, so the last two items here are these two lipsticks. So I can see that I ordered one matte and then one La Rouge. Okay, so I am going to open this one in Excessive Rose first, and then the other one is Daring Pink. So for the Excessive Rose, you know what, they have this in limited edition also. Limited edition packaging, but I'm not able to buy that because I was too late on grabbing it on another website. But yeah, so this is another one, and as you see, it's a black packaging, which is the normal packaging for this Guerlain lipstick, and it's actually about the same as the rose lip, but it's just that the lip balm is in white and then the lipstick is in black. Okay, alright, so I'm going to show to you how it looks inside. And oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I thought that it will be a lot more darker, but no, it is almost the same color as this one I'm wearing from Urban Decay. Nope, no, this is more orangey and this is more pink. Yeah, but they're both perfect for summer. So that is Excessive Rose, which I'm just gonna go ahead and swatch on the Guerlain video. So it's just all about Guerlain. If you wanted to know about Guerlain and see more color swatches and all that, then we go to that video instead. And then another one right here. I think this is the one in gold packaging, if I'm not mistaken. This is the one in matte. Oh wow, even the packaging is in matte. So it's in gold matte. So let me grab that again. We have the, even the top, it's actually matte if you see like that. In there. Okay. So see, it's matte and that's not. So these are the three different ones that you could still buy. They are not limited edition. They're just like the regular line. So we have the lip balm, the rouge that's not matte, and then the matte. Okay, so for this one, the color that I chose was Daring Pink. This is also on a sale. Oh yeah, it still has this Guerlain lipstick scent. So that's that. Yeah, the difference between this Daring Pink and the Excessive Pink is that it's more hot pink for the Excessive Pink, and this is more of like the, yeah, that was it, more corally pink. Let me grab the Urban Decay again. Okay, so that's in between these two. The Urban Decay is like in between the two. But yeah, so it's there. And if you notice, I am buying most of the summery and the spring summery shades. It's because of the season, and then maybe my taste would change for autumn and winter. But yeah, so there, that's the two, and I'm really happy that I finally have them because I always wanted to collect all of the Guerlain lipsticks, or I am trying to buy at least one that I really like from this lipsticks, and then for the lip balm that I could use, and then I have them all. Alright, so there you go, and that's the two unboxing for this Sephora haul, and then see you on the Guerlain, Guerlain collective haul video. If you want, I can actually give you a sneak peek because I have quite a lot. Let me just grab it. And here are the, I kid you not, so I got all of the pinks. I have 2 more shades over here. And then I have the Kiss Kiss, that's a limited edition. And then I have more coming that are different colors for the mirror. So, see you on my next video. And remember to stay fierce and fly high.
September we met.